Hi, I am Dr. Roberts. Let us talk about ICTs in education.
We will explore the topic of usability and user design in multimedia design. In this video, we will review how multimedia products can be planned, designed, and developed to create meaningful and engaging learning experiences. We'll also learn how usability and user experience shape the effectiveness of multimedia learning environments. We begin by examining the principles of instructional design, the use of multimedia elements, and the creation of flowcharts, storyboards, and prototypes. You'll also learn how to design intuitive, interactive interfaces that keep learners engaged and supported throughout their learning journey. Let's begin with instructional design. Instructional design is the systematic process of creating learning experiences that are both effective and efficient. As Lee and Owens explain, it ensures that every element of a multimedia project is purposeful and aligned to learning goals. Common models include ADDIE, Assure, and rapid prototyping, all emphasizing planning, testing, and continuous improvement. The ADDIE model moves through 5 stages: analysis, design, development, implementation, and evaluation. Each stage helps designers keep learning at the center while maintaining usability and visual coherence. Remember, good multimedia starts with good pedagogy. Animate in. According to Costello, multimedia brings together text, images, sound, animation, and video to communicate ideas through multiple sensory channels. Each element contributes differently to meaning and motivation. Text should be concise and legible. Use clean fonts, clear hierarchy, and enough white space to make reading easy. Avoid overcrowding the screen. Design for clarity and flow. Images should serve a purpose, not just decorate the page. Apply visual design principles like alignment, proximity, and contrast. Always choose images that reinforce the instructional message. Sound and narration should support the visuals, not compete with them. Synchronize audio and visuals, maintain volume consistency, and provide captions for accessibility. Good sound design guides attention and enhances memory. Animation helps show movement, process, or change over time. Keep it simple and purposeful. Too much motion distracts learners. Video, on the other hand, combines multiple media to demonstrate, explain, or tell stories effectively. Short, focused video segments are best for learning. Before production, designers use flowcharts, process maps, and storyboards to plan how users will navigate the content. Flowcharts show decision paths, while storyboards visualize the look, sound, and feel of each scene before development begins. A storyboard includes visuals, narration, text, and interactive notes for each screen. This ensures everyone on the team shares a common vision of how the learning experience will unfold. Let's now turn to usability and interface design. As Peters, 2014, explains, usability measures how easily users can achieve their goals with satisfaction and efficiency. A well-designed interface helps learners focus on learning, not on figuring out how to navigate the system. The 5 usability principles are consistency, visibility, feedback, error prevention, and simplicity. These guide every aspect of interface design, from navigation to typography and color schemes. Good interface design teaches through structure. It guides the learner's eyes, highlights important actions, and uses color and spacing to create visual rhythm. Remember, the interface is part of the pedagogy. Interactivity is the heart of multimedia learning. Interactions can be reactive, like clicking to reveal content, coactive, where learners manipulate data or explore simulations, or proactive, where learners create, design, or produce something new. The goal is to make learners active participants, not passive observers. Designing for usability is an iterative process. Through rapid prototyping, you build an early version of your product, test it with users, gather feedback, and refine it. This cycle helps ensure your design truly meets learner needs. For example, in a Caribbean context, a digital lesson on ecosystems can use local photos, regional sound effects, and interactive maps. Testing these prototypes with real students helps identify usability issues and cultural relevance. Let's summarize what we covered. Multimedia design is guided by instructional design principles. Media elements, text, image, sound, animation, and video should be used purposefully. Planning tools like flowcharts and storyboards help visualize design. Usability and interface design make learning smooth, intuitive, and enjoyable. To close, reflect on this question. How can usability principles and instructional design models work together to improve your own multimedia learning projects? Thank you for watching, and let's continue designing learning that truly works for users.